Hey, good morning, welcome. This is Jeff Richter, and this is Retired Guy's Garage. I know I said that probably wouldn't be any golf cart builds in the future in my introduction video, but if y'all all remember correctly, y'all remember that I said everything's for sale for the right price. Well, you know, somebody decided they really liked this golf cart that I just built, so it's going to be on its way to its new home. Real nice family, not too far away here, about 10 miles away from here, is going to be getting this one. So, but I did kind of want to just take you through and kind of show you what I did to it, what it was, and what I started with, and not in pictures, but you know, the base cart that I started with, and what it is now. So let's take a walk around this thing and see what we did. Okay, so what this started out to be was this was a this was a stock 2005 Club Car Precedent gas model, and just some of the things I've done to it. I did a complete Club Car Tempo body swap on it, which included having to replace the front cowl, under cowl underneath the front hood area there. We put a 6-inch lift kit on it, a flip rear seat, which flips out to make a nice cargo area. Put in a custom dash on this one. Has a Bluetooth stereo. All custom seat covers. Like I said, remember, you know, we do all the work here, right here in the house. I don't send any of this out. Complete LED light kit. 6-inch lift. And some you know, new wheels and tires, of course, but didn't go too crazy with the tires on this one. Went more with a turf tire to make it more drivable and not quite so noisy on when it's being driven on the road or concrete or whatever. So yeah, and so, like I said, it's a gas. I believe this is the. So it's just a single cylinder Club Car engine. Did a 4-speaker setup on this one. That's something I've never done before. And something kind of cool that I did with this one. I don't know how easy it's going to be to see, but went ahead and did a USB charging port, a 12-volt port, and it also has a volt gauge on it. So kind of tucked away down there so it's out of the way in that little cubby hole. But yeah, I thought that was kind of a neat little upgrade that I did on this one that I haven't done on any of the others. But yeah, the roof was the Club Car tan color. So my little trick for these, for painting these, is I don't paint them with regular paint. That's actually a spray-on bed liner. I want to say it's, is it 3M? I don't know, but it's one of those. Rust-Oleum, actually. I believe it is a Rust-Oleum brand. So yeah. But yeah, that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and get this one loaded up. This is actually the reason I did the I had to put that center section in on the rear of the trailer here. You'll remember I did this in a previous video. But I went ahead and turned the bolts around. So I actually still have some room to get the ramps in there if I need to adjust them out a little bit. So, but yeah. So loading up stuff like this is why I needed to do that to the trailer. So we'll go ahead and get this loaded up. And this will be on its way to its new home.